What's up, you guys? It's me, Technical Suraj, and today I'll be gonna showing you how can we get subscribers fast. All you need to go is into Play Store and just need to download this Sub4Sub Pro for YouTube, this app. And all you need to do is open this app. This is one of the simplest method. You just need to sign in with your Google account, or you even use one account to increase your subscriber in another account. I'll show you the process right now here. So I'll take this one. Okay, so just later. Okay, so in this process all you need to do is my 2 subscriber has done, so I'll delete this campaign. You need to subscribe their channel, and then you get the coin, and from that coin you get subscribers. You know what I mean? So just subscribe this channel. You make a fake account and just subscribe to your real account. I'll show the procedure right here. All you do is just click the subscribe button, go back, and alright, you have get the 20 coin. So after you're done, just go to campaign over here. Her campaign, and just need to hear a little plus button. You just need to press that. There are 2 options. You can get views and you can get subscribers. You need to click on subscribers. So you need to put the channel name. I'll do Technical Suraj, and I'll search it, and I'll go down. You need to find your account. So I found my account, and you need to put 2, so it will require 20 coin for 2 subscribers, and you need to click done, and alright. Okay, so it may take time. So first I'll show you my current subscribers, how much I have. So right now I have 5 subscribers. You can see I have 5 subscribers. So okay, yeah, I'll hit you up a bit back. Alright, you can see the notification, 1 subscribe me. Now you can see 6. Alright, let me show you in Gmail account. In my Gmail, just go to Gmail. I'll go to my socials. So okay, let me just go to social. So where the tab? Oh, turn on. Alright, you can see here. I don't know who is this, but this channel has subscribed to my YouTube channel right here. Okay, has subscribed you. This is the proof. So I'll go here and refresh it, and oh no, so we can see here how many people subscribe here. I got 1 subscribers. So from this process you can gain your subscribers day by day. You can do it. It is very one of the simple procedure. You can use it. So I used to have current 5 subscribers, so I'll show you right here in my channel. So go there. Yeah, it is still 5, but the YouTube takes a bit time to refresh the subscribers. So okay, yeah, you can see there is 6 subscribers right there. So I'll go here, Sub4Sub app. I'll do it later. Just go here. Yeah, 1 subscriber, so you can increase subscriber day by day. Like this process, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.